What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back to Aldi. It's another week here in Aldi. Here's a look at some of the deals we have right when we walk in the store. $2.69 for a pint of blueberries. I'm not sure on the carrots, I'm guessing 89 cents. $1.39 for celery and Hass avocados for 69 cents each. To all my grape lovers, $1.99 a pound for red grapes and $1.89 for green grapes. Supreme mandarins, $3.99 for two. I don't know what's really special, you guys. Has anyone had a Supreme mandarin? We also have raspberries for $2.69. The Sweet Globe grapes are $5. And the cotton candy grapes are $3.89 for a pound. Let me start grabbing some items. I need some cilantro. And of course some spinach. I wanted some romaine hearts too. $2.79 for the romaine hearts. Do you guys grab your produce from the back or do you just grab whatever's in the front? I always like to grab it from the back. Pineapples are $2.19 each. I wanted to try some apples this week, depending upon how they look. The green apples are $3.99 for 3 pounds. The Pizzazz apples are $2.89 for 2 pounds. Looks like that's going to get you about 4 apples. Fuji apples are $3.49, also for 3 pounds. We have some galas too. Oh, the galas are also $3.49. We also have strawberries at a really good deal this week, $1.99 a box, and bananas are just 26 cents a pound this week. The carrots are 89 cents. Peter Rabbit baby cut carrots. Eggplants are $1.29 a pound. Italian bread, $2.99 a loaf. Their artisan French baguettes are $1.75 each. Their cinnamon swirl bagels are $1.55. That's a nice price. They feel really heavy, really hearty. They're 20 ounces. Roma tomatoes, I always love to get these. The little peanut butters here are super affordable, $1.69 and also $1.69 for crunchy. These are 18 ounces. The Jif Creamy is $3.84. The 40 ounce of creamy is $3.59. I don't really need a whole lot this week. I do like to get this salsa, it's $1.55. I like to have that handy for my kids. The Big Dipper tortilla chips are $1.74. I've seen these as low as 97 cents in some locations. Haribo's, aww. More 100th anniversary editions. We have bears and party hats. That's so cute. Those are just 99 cents here. So if you used to get your candy in Dollar Tree and now you're being charged $1.25, just come next door to Aldi. I know a lot of you guys have Aldi's next to your Dollar Trees or in the same plaza. You can still get a lot of candy for 99 cents. 98-cent Hershey's. The watermelon rings, 95 cents. The Mambas are 85 cents here. If you want a little something different, we have the sea salt caramels. Those are $3.99. The dark coconut almonds, $3.99. These are really good as well. The dark chocolate acai blueberries. My husband really likes those. I'll get some of these for him. I was loving the Aldi version of Oreos, but I haven't seen them in about 3 or 4 months. Now we just have the party size Oreos for $5.28. We also had the Aldi dupe for Chips Ahoy. That's another item I haven't seen in months. I don't know if they've discontinued them or what, but I really miss them. Ooh, look at these. This is something I've looked at for years. I've never tried though. The coconut macaroons, $2.09. We also have other cookies for $1.35 and $1.39. The peanut butter fudge cookies. And the, ooh, caramel coconut fudge cookies. 5 grams of saturated fat. Am I reading that right? Per 2 cookies? Whoa. These are amazing. These taste just like Triscuits for $1.99. Eggs this week are $1.37. Here in Minnesota, for a dozen, a gallon of milk is $3.24. That's the fat-free, the skim. The 1% is $3.24, and the 2% is $3.24. We find pretty consistent prices with the original and vanilla soys, $2.19 here at this location, and $1.89 for the unsweetened almonds, original almonds, and vanilla almond milks. I'm gonna be grabbing some soy and some almond milks. All right, I know it's the time you guys been waiting for. It's the Aldi Finds aisle. I'm gonna show you guys everything we have here on the aisle. Protein infused water for $1.67. We have alkaline water for $6.99. $2.08 for the 8 Splash. Strawberry kiwi or fruit medley. 8 pouches of breakfast cereal for $3.49. Winter Knot wafer assortments. These are all cookies. German cookies. Nice little variety. Ooh, we have London Fog tea latte. We have Dirty Chai tea latte. And we have chai tea latte. These are all $2.99 each. And they're all organic. 3 nice varieties. I really do like chai tea a lot. Noodle soup bowls. Miso, kimchi, and udon for $2.19 each. We also have red curry, green curry, and pad thai for $2.19 each. We have pho noodles. We also have ramen noodles for $2.89 each, and a lot of Asian sauces. Sriracha teriyaki, orange ginger. We have sesame teriyaki. Those are $2.45 each. Dinner kits, Annie Chun's noodle bowls for $2.54. Sometimes we see these at Dollar Tree, but the varieties available here, and these are $2.99 each. These are all vegan. We have pad thai, chipotle, and taco filling. Those are $2.99 each. Behind me, we have cat corner condos. Kind of cute. And little scratching posts. $34.99 stainless garbage cans. Some snow brooms and snow scrapers. $12.99 for the thermal pajamas. Rainbows. Sofa covers for, I'm not really sure how much. Gray and tan sofa covers. Faux fur slides for $6.99. Ladies 4-piece sets. Looks very Christmassy, $14.99. $2.49 for these candles. Lemon buttercream, agave blossom, cereal milkshake. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Cereal milkshake. Birchwood sage, just $2.49. Those are little single wick candles. Sugar palm. Ooh, these are definitely new. Gardenia basil. Wild dunes. We have white peach cobbler. White peach cobbler. Did I miss any? Sunset citrus and coconut. That one's nice. And then we have a bunch of $1.69 wax melts. Sugared petals, grapefruit and vanilla bean, sea salt and jasmine, white almond. Yummy. A magnetic dartboard for $7.49. And it's the last one. That's a really good price for that. Mega bakeware. Oh my gosh, you guys. What? Hold up. I gotta see this. Okay, we have this humongous cake pan, right? That's $9.99. Get ready, you guys. Look at this. Look at this boy. Wow. Look at that. A 48 cup mini muffin pan. It's pure quality. It's super heavy and nice. Wow. I am definitely impressed. Lots of chips behind me over here. Chick-fil-A sauce, $3.68. A super large organic coconut oil for $7.99. This is a 28-ounce container. A peanut butter spread with flaxseed and whole chia. That's $2.79. $8.99. An ab mat. We also have lumbar support cushions for $8.99. Mini fridges for $59.99. Pressure cookers for $49.99. Baby dolls for $9.79. The super huge 7-wick candles are already on clearance for $18.69. Puffer jackets for pets, $9.99. We have lots of cereals over here. Mocha latte, caramel macchiato, red velvet cream cookies for $1.99. The Benton brand, that was the brand I was telling you guys about that made the Oreos that I was so in love with. 2.5 grams of saturated fat per 2 cookies. We have a Sweet Baby Ray buffalo wing sauce. That's new also. Ladies cozy lounge wrap for $9.99. That is what's on the Aldi Finds aisle. My store has some Christmas items still. Not really sure how much that's gonna be. A 6-gallon wet dry vac, $49.99. Yeah, you guys, still finding some Christmas items and some Halloween items. Whoa, what's this? An Ambiano 14-inch electric grill for $29.99. And it has a 3-year warranty. So I think that's it for me here in Aldi. I'm gonna continue my grocery shopping. Wow, the broccoli's looking great. Grown in Minnesota, I'm guessing. Let's see. Product of USA, it says Minnesota. I mean, this broccoli is looking super good and fresh. Look at that. Thank you guys so much for coming along. Let me know what you want to see next time in Aldi, and I'll try to show everything. I know you guys love the weekly deals as well as the Aldi Finds aisle. So if there's anything else you want to see, just let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try to share an Aldi video once every week. I'm going to try to get into the schedule of doing that. So definitely let me know what you want to see next. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.